I'm in Tubigon. This is what you call a blustery day. Grabing hangin, ah. The ferry. Grabe, no? Anyway, may meeting kasi ako sa Sabah. Babalik rin ako bukas. Ano oras yung maagang boat bukas?
Sir, ano na tatlaw, sir?
Hindi. Morning.
Morning.
May araw na.
7:30. Ay, dito, sir?
Hindi doon. Sa Cebu.
7:30 sir yung departure.
7:30. Sige. And I'll be back here 7:30. Oh my God, look at that. Okay. Lang natin yung kotse. Okay. Side mirror. Paano ba ba? Ayan. Okay, thank you. Sige, thank you. Okay.